Lowe's has some new clearance and free tool deals I wanted to show you. First up, we've got this Craftsman rolling workshop for $44. It was 50 bucks. Comes with 3 pieces. It's got a bottom portion and then a middle portion for parts and then a top toolbox with this top part shelf here. We'll lock it back up. Of course, the bottom has the wheel portion. You can roll it around. It feels pretty sturdy. Craftsman has this $15 clearance item. It's an 8-piece screwdriver set. And it looks pretty, sturdy with the rubberized handles. They've got the black oxide tips on these, which is pretty nice. So it's not going to be wearing as much when you use them. So you can see the black tips on there. And then right next to it, they've got another yellow tag item. It's for $24. It's a 12-piece screwdriver set. And then they've got a 25-piece for $29. And that comes with the hex key type set as well. They've got some electrical strippers here, or wire strippers. The self-adjusting wire stripper from Vice Grip. That's what the handles look like here. And that's for $12. It was $24, so that's half off there. And then right above it, we've got the Craftsman for $9.98. Some long nose pliers. Now this is the section where they have the free tools. $1.99. If you get the 2-piece combo set, you get a free bare tool. So there's the combo set here for $1.99. It's a 12-volt max 2-piece combo kit. You can get the oscillating tool. These are the free tools you can get. Reciprocating saw, 3/8" ratchet, 5 3/8" circular saw, 1/2" impact wrench, or a 3/8" impact wrench. And in the other aisle, they have the ratchet and the rotary hammer, which I'll show you. But these are the tools here, kind of under lock with the security alarms on them. They show the individual prices if you were to just buy them, the bare tool outright. So this is the ratchet here, the 1/4" ratchet. This is the tool only. It's a 12-volt brushless ratchet. And they've got them out so you can kind of handle them and check them out. And that's $179 if you were to just buy it by itself there. That's the specs on it here. This is the impact wrench. So this is the tool only, but you would get this for free if you got it, that combo kit there with the 2 tools. This is what this looks like. Definitely pretty compact, and the 12-volt tool. This is the circular saw here. They've got that out for you to check out from Dewalt. That's the tool only. That's the price there if you were just going to buy it outright. This is the extreme brushless one-handed reciprocating saw. That's the specs on it here, 5/8. They've got the tool out you can check out. This is a band saw. This is the tool only. I didn't see that on the list, but they had it out, so it might be something to ask about, just because I wasn't sure about that one. This is the rotary hammer. So this one's included in the free tools, I know that. And that's $179 if you were to buy it without the deal here. So this is the wall here. They've got the sign up as well. This is the Pocket Craig 720 Plus jig. It says transforms your jig into the ultimate benchtop pocket hole workstation. They've got added security with the clamp there. And so you just put your wood in the little opening there and then drill your pocket holes through the different openings right there. And these are the specs here on this. And that one next to it here, this is the Craig Jig 720. It was $129, it's $114 now. That one's just a little bit smaller. This is a pocket hole jig 520 Pro. For $89 was $99. It comes with the clamp for extra security as well. And in the gel cell here, we've got the 24 volt max brushless cobalt 3-tool combo set here. You got the hammer drill, the work light, and then the impact wrench with a 5-year warranty. And then right next to it, you've got the 1/4-inch impact driver kit. That's $99. The angle grinder cutoff tool for $99. And then next to that, you've got the reciprocating saw, was $129. That's $99. And then $79, I think that was $99 for the one-handed reciprocating saw. And that's this one here for 24 volts. And you got the multi-purpose 4-in-1 saw for $59. And then they've got the Craftsman Tools as well. This is the impact driver for $59, was $79. Looks like it comes with it's a kit, so it comes with the battery and charger as well. You can kind of try to get a good view for you behind the bars here. Surprised they put everything back here. The 20-volt lithium-ion battery with that one. And they've got the kits as well. For $299, you save $100. With the 8-piece tool combo kit, you get all these items here. And they've got a 3-year warranty on this one. And they've got their brushless 2-piece combo kit here with the drill and driver. 3-year warranty, 20 volt. It looks like you're saving $50 on that deal there. And they've also got a 6-tool combo kit here for $199. Again, you're saving $100 as well. And that looks like it comes with a reciprocating saw. I think that's a wet vac, I can't tell. Work light includes a battery, case and charger, and a circular saw. In the skill saw here, you can choose one of these for $59. The cordless drill, I think that was a rotary tool and impact driver. And this is the box they have out. It says it's a power cord, 25% longer time, 12 volt brushless. It says charge mobile devices, 5-minute charging, that's nice. And then this says that one battery charges all the tools here. And these are the clearance stickers here on their wrench sets. They basically had these, it looked like they were, I think, 60% off. $12 and $24, or I'm sorry, $19 and $24. And this is the Bosch compact router for $79. This is what it looks like here. I think it was $129. This is it in the box. And then right above it here, they had it outside the box. So this is it if you want to take a look at it. And that's the Colt palm router for $79. And right here next to it, they had the door mortise kit for $38. So if you need to hang a door, and basically it's a 16-piece complete door mortising kit. It had everything you needed there, with the self centering hinge and router bit. This is a 7-amp trim router for $64. This is from Cobalt. It says 1 to 1/4 trim horsepower trim router. The 7 amps, 5-year warranty. And then they had a Bora track clamp here for $12.98. It was $15. This is what it looks like here in the example picture. This makes cutting any angle easy. This is a Dewalt angle grinder for $69, was $79. I don't think they had these out, but this was in the box here. That's what that looks like here. And then the specs, 9 amps, 1.5 horsepower, and then a 4.5-inch disc there. There's a 4.5-inch angle grinder. This is it outside the box. And this is it, the box here for $39.98, was $49. And that's from Metabo. And this one actually comes with, it says it includes 5 free grinding wheels. So that's nice for the disc grinder here. They also had a lot of faucets for sale. That's kind of what they were advertising. For $79, kind of a $20 saving. These are Allen and Roth faucets here. And they've got the 3-hole installation, it looks like. It says easy install, limited lifetime warranty on these. They had a bunch of these out. I think they were just starting the sale. And this is kind of, you can see in the front of the store, this is the 5-tier organizing shelf. They've had these out front before, but this is for $89, savings of $14. You can put your tools or whatever you need to on these. Pretty sturdy shelving unit. This is a Project Source brand. And they've got a picture of how it looks like when it's set up there. Fairly heavy duty, but I'm going to put links to these in the description as well, and you can check out the Lowe's website. And of course, they've got some fire extinguishers here, some home items for $39, was $52. So if you don't have a fire extinguisher, you can pick one up here.